Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to learn about plant and animal cell comparison. Plant and animal cell comparison. Why do plant cells are different from animal cells? They differ from each other because they have to perform different functions. They differ from each other because they have to perform different functions. Now we know that there are many main similarities between plant and animal cells. There are many main similarities. Similarities means common things. Okay, there are many main similarities between plant and animal cells. Okay, let us see how they differ from one each other. Already you know the cell components, which is we are learned in 6th standard. What are they? What are the cell components? Cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast, vacuoles, nucleus, nucleus membrane. These are the cell components. What are they? Cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast, vacuoles, nucleus, nucleus membrane. Now we are going to see what are the cell components are common in plant cell, animal cell, and what are the cell organelles are present only in plant cell, and what are the organs are present only in animal cell. Okay, first in the animal cell, cell wall. Okay, cell wall, this is outermost covering of the plant cell. The outermost covering of the plant cell, it maintain the shape and protect the cell. It maintain the shape and protect the cell. This cell wall present only in the plant cell. Okay, the cell wall absent in animal cell. Okay, next chloroplast. Chloroplast is a organelle characterized by its two membranes and a high concentration of chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? The green color pigment present in the leaves, no, that is called chlorophyll, and carry out the photosynthesis. Okay, the chloroplast present only in the plant cell. Chloroplast present only in the plant cell. Okay, it contain high concentration of chlorophyll. Okay, and carry out the photosynthesis. Okay, this chloroplast are absent in animal cell. Chloroplast absent in animal cell. Why? Because the plant cell no need to produce the food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, next, large vacuoles. Large vacuoles filled with both inorganic and organic molecules. Filled with both inorganic and organic molecules, along with water to support the organelles. Okay, the large vacuoles filled with both inorganic and organic molecules, along with water to support the organelles. Okay, so the vacuoles are present in plant cell and animal cell also, but the plant cell contain the large size of vacuoles. Okay, in animal cell, the small vacuoles. In animal cell contains small size vacuoles. Okay, see this also filled with both inorganic and organic molecules, along with water to support the cell organelles. What is the difference between the plant cell and animal cell means? The plant cell contain the large vacuoles, animal cell contain small vacuoles. Next, the main difference is centriole. Centriole is a pair of minute cylindrical involved in the development of spindle fiber in the cell division. Okay, the centriole is the very important cell organelle of animal cell. Okay, centriole is a pair of minute cylindrical involved in the development of spindle fibers in cell division. What are the difference between plant cell and animal cell? Plant cell has cell wall. Plant cell has cell wall. The cell wall is absent in animal cell. Cell wall is absent on animal cell. Chloroplast present in plant cell. Chloroplast present in plant cell. The chloroplasts are absent in animal cell. Chloroplasts are absent in animal cell. Large vacuoles are present in plant cell. The plant cell contain large vacuoles. The animal cell contain small vacuoles. Okay. The centrioles are present in animal cell. Centrioles are present in animal cell. Centrioles are absent in plant cell. The centrioles are absent in plant cell. Next, what are the similarities between the plant cell and the animal cell? Okay, what are they? Nucleus, ribosomes, Golgi body or Golgi complex, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, and mitochondria. These are the common cell components of plant and animal cell. What are the common cell components? Nucleus, Golgi complex or Golgi body, ribosomes, mitochondria, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum. These are the common cell components of plant cell and animal cell. Next, human cells related to functions. Human cells related to functions. In this first, different types of cells. Different types of cells. Our body is made up of many different kinds of cells. Our body is made up of many different kinds of cells. Each type of cell is specialized to perform a specific function. Each type of cell is specialized to perform a specific function. Depending on the function, the cell has specific shape, size, and may have some components which other type of cells do not have. Okay, depending on the function, cell has special shape, size, and have some components. Okay, which is absent in other type of cells. Have a look at the difference between nerve cells and red blood cells in the images. Even though there are many different types of cells, there are some components common to all type of cells. Okay, some components common to all type of cells. Let us take a look at this in this session. See here given specialized cells. Specialized cells, structure of the cell and function of the cell. In this first one, epithelial cells. Epithelial cells. There are mostly flat and columnar in shape. There are mostly flat and columnar in shape. See, this is structure. Next, function of epithelial cell. They cover the surface of the body for protection. Epithelial cells cover the surface of the body for protection. The next specialized cell, muscle cells. Muscle cells. They are long and spindle shaped. Muscle cells are long and spindle shaped. What is the function of the muscle cell? They can contract and relax, allowing the cells for movements. Muscle cells can contract and relax, allowing the cell for movement. Next specialized cell is nerve cells. Nerve cells. The body of nervous cell is branched with an elongated nerve fiber. The body of nervous cell is branched with an elongated nerve fiber. What is the function of the nerve cell? Nerve cells are specialized to carry and conduct messages that coordinate the function of the body. Nerve cells are specialized to carry and conduct messages that coordinate the functions of the body. The next cell is red blood cells. Red blood cells. This is round, biconcave and disc shaped. Round, biconcave and disc shaped. What is the function of red blood cells? Red blood cells carry oxygen and collect carbon dioxide from various parts of the body. Red blood cells carry oxygen and collect carbon dioxide from various parts of the body.